In the 1950s, cat fanciers crossbred Siamese cats with long-haired Persians to develop the colored masks and points which define a Himalayan. But not all kittens born to Himalayan parents take on the signature coloring. Some kittens, like these two, will stay white like their Persian forefathers. Color or no color, they're all loyal lap cats, which makes them ideal companions for families. But there's another housemate who expects as much attention as Ariel. The family's well-fed Chihuahua, Poochie. And these days, he seems to be taking over Ariel's share of lap time. Sharing is not a strong suit.